In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a back to top button on Wix. To do this, you wanna select the site you wanna do it on, press Design Site to open up the editor, and I've already made a button here, so let me just delete this one. The way to do this is click on Elements, Button, select a button, then you wanna right click on this, pin to screen, and then just select where you want it to be. I like it in the bottom right. Then simply from in here, right click, link, top to bottom of page, select top, or you can do bottom if you want as well. Press done and right click, show on all pages. Now, if you head over to preview, it will now show you the button when this connects. So let's just load. It will now show you the button, and if you scroll down and click on it, it will take you all the way back to the top. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.